Hello, today we will guide you through how to add payment method on Gumroad. To get started, open Gumroad in your browser and go to your dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your account, products, and settings. Make sure you're signed in before continuing so you can access the payment options without interruption. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. Scroll down through this menu until you reach the lower section. If you don't immediately see the option you need, take your time and scroll carefully, since some account controls are placed near the bottom of the sidebar. Next, click on your profile account area in the lower left corner. This opens the account-related menu, where you can access more detailed settings for your Gumroad profile. This section is especially useful for managing account preferences, payout details, and other important configuration options. From that menu, select Settings. After clicking Settings, you'll be taken to the part of Gumroad where you can update core account information. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the full settings interface appears before moving on. At the top of the settings page, click on Payments. This is the section where Gumroad handles payout and payment-related information. Since you're adding a payment method, this is the area you'll need to use to connect where your earnings should be sent. When the Payments page opens, scroll down a little until you find the Bank Account option. Click on Bank Account to begin adding your payout method. Be sure you're selecting the correct option, especially if there are multiple payment or payout sections visible on the page. In the Payout Method section, enter your bank details carefully. This is the final and most important part of the setup, so double-check everything as you type. Make sure the account information is accurate, matches your banking records, and is entered in the correct fields. Taking an extra moment here can help prevent payout delays or verification issues later. After your details are entered, review the information one more time before saving or confirming if that option appears on your screen. It's always a good idea to keep your payment information up to date so your payouts can be processed smoothly. That's it. You've now gone through the process of adding a payment method on Gumroad.